Hi, Ken.
Hi.
I have got an email and some feedback from one of our customers, Marshall. And Marshall says, I have noticed increased stamina and a lot more protection against the sun. Hot and sunburned over the summer, my skin barely peeled, which is not normal for me. Can you please explain what might be going on with Marshall and his C60 use? Any statements, products, or topics discussed today have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Anything we discuss is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, mitigate, or prevent any disease.
Well, that's actually one of the human-based experiments. They actually took human skin cells in vitro, petri dish for that, and they gave one set got C60, the other didn't. They exposed them to ultraviolet light, and the C60 skin cells were highly resistant against ultraviolet light versus controls. So if you're taking internally, it's going to be all through your body, and it definitely can lessen your ability to be sunburned. And also, if you do get sunburned, if you apply it topically, you'll find that the healing process goes a whole lot faster.
Yeah, for those of you with a sunburn, I challenge you to try C60 Sexy, put it on your skin, and apply it until your sunburn goes away, and you will notice some amazing changes with your skin. So, thank you.